In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Outlook calendar to Calendly so your availability is always up to date and your meetings are scheduled without conflicts. We'll go through the full process step by step, and I'll add some context along the way so you understand what each part is doing, not just where to click. First, make sure you're logged in to your Calendly account in your web browser. You'll be starting from your main Calendly dashboard, the page where you normally see your event types and upcoming meetings. Connecting your Outlook calendar is done through Calendly's integrations area, so that's where we'll head next. Look toward the menu options in Calendly and find the section labeled Integrations. Depending on the current layout, this might be visible directly in the main navigation bar, or it may appear under a Settings or Account menu. Click on Integrations to open the Integrations page. This page is where Calendly lets you link other tools and services like video conferencing, apps, and calendars so that everything works together behind the scenes. Once you're on the integrations page, you'll see a list or grid of different services that can connect with Calendly. Because there can be quite a few options here, the fastest way to find what you need is to use the search feature. Look for the search box on the integrations page, click into that search field, and then type Outlook Calendar. As you type, Calendly will filter the available integrations. After a moment, you should see an option labeled Outlook Calendar or something very close to that appear in the search results. This is the integration that links your Microsoft Outlook calendar with Calendly so that your scheduled meetings and existing appointments stay synchronized. When you see Outlook Calendar in the results, move your cursor over that option. You'll see a button or a link that says Connect. Go ahead and click Connect. This is the action that starts the connection process between Calendly and your Outlook account. After you click Connect, Calendly will typically open a new window or tab, or it may show a pop-up on the same page. Here, you'll be asked to sign in to your Outlook or Microsoft account if you're not already signed in. Use the account that holds the calendar you want Calendly to check for availability. This might be a work account, a school account, or a personal account, depending on how you schedule your time. Once you sign in, Microsoft will show you a permissions screen. This is where Outlook explains what Calendly is asking to access. Usually this includes permission to read your calendar events and in some cases to create new events when someone books a meeting with you. Take a moment to quickly review these permissions, and if you're comfortable with them, confirm or accept to continue. Calendly will then complete the connection in the background. When it finishes, you'll be brought back to the integrations page and you should see Outlook Calendar marked as connected. From here, you can usually choose which specific Outlook calendar to use for checking conflicts and which one to use for adding new events, especially if your account has multiple calendars. That's all there is to it. You went to the integrations section, searched for Outlook Calendar, clicked Connect, and then followed the sign in and permission prompts. Your Calendly account is now linked to your Outlook calendar, which means your scheduling will be more accurate, more automated, and much easier to manage going